Hi everybody, alright. So I've been asked for a while to do a complete site survey so that plumbers and customers and reps can see exactly how it is. We're out here at a car wash location here in Miami, Florida. This car wash company has over 200 locations. We're doing a rollout for them for 200 valves. We're helping out by doing some site surveys because there's so many locations. So I'm here live on site now. So the first thing you want to do with a site survey is you need to identify where the water meter is, number one, and if they have a backflow, number two. In this particular case, we have the water meter here, we have a 2-inch backflow here, and we have another one as well. What you really need is your standard pressure gauge, which will fit in any one of these male, female type nipples or whatever you want to call them. In this case, every single one is going to have a vertical screw like you see here. So we have many different adaptation types. In this particular case, we just need this one. So we're going to screw this in here. Okay. You can go ahead and video that, Ricky. So I'm over here now, and I am going to. So what is 41? So we have 41 psi. Okay. Now we're going to go over and test this one here. And we're going to do the same thing. Okay. And $41. Okay. So we have now done the PSI test at the backflow / meter. You could do either at the backflow or at the meter itself. Now, we want to take very clear pictures of the meter and the surrounding area. So we're going to take very clear pictures of this. We're going to take very clear pictures of this. And we're going to open this, which I'm hurt. So Ricky will do now. And we are going to look at the meter, which is an absolute mess. So go ahead and put it on pause for now so we can dig this out a little. Okay, so we got the meter exposed here. This is an older meter. So we're gonna wanna get very, very good pictures of that. Like I said, the meter and the surrounding area. So don't just hyper focus on the meter. We need to see here and here. This is a little bit buried in sand, but we got to see what we needed, which is the meter and the two backflows here. This is a 2-inch, so this is going to get a 2-inch valve. Okay, so we've now completed a few things. We've done the PSI test at the meter / backflow. We're now going to go over to one of their faucets or outlets, and we're going to do another PSI test at the building. What we're looking for is to see if there's a big pressure loss between the 40 and the building. So for example, let's say this is 40 psi, we go to test the building, it's 20. There's a problem, there's a leak, and that's a big problem they need to fix, right? So typically we don't run into that, but obviously that's what we're looking for. So we're gonna run another PSI test over at the actual outlet. All right, so we're now doing the second PSI test. We did the backflow and everything was over there. And now we're gonna do, like I said, one at the facility. If you notice, we're using a different adapter. We were using it like this before. And we're gonna use a different adapter. We're going to put this on. We're at 36. So that's it. That's exactly what we needed. You're expecting a little bit of a pressure loss between there and there. We're right at the building now, so everything looks good. We have now completed the site